Welcome to philhome.com. Today we're going to take a look at a house in Portofino South in the Courtyards section, and this is the house behind me, so let's go take a look. So this is the Courtyards section. You take a right from the fountain when you come into Portofino South. So let's go inside and take a look. So to the left is access to the garage, and then immediately to your left is the guest CR, and all the furniture in this house is included in the price except for this clock. So we can, to the right is the living room area with nice light fixtures, AC in all the rooms, access to the back patio from the living room, and as you can see across the way is the access to the patio from the kitchen. The stairway immediately to the left, and then there's a door here which is a storage area, as you can see, and immediately to the right is the dining room setup. And like I said, you can access the patio here, which we'll go outside and look at that in a little bit, but we'll go up through the house first. Then we have the kitchen area with all granite countertops with the view of the garden outside, as you can see. And then off the kitchen is a dirty kitchen where there's an access to the side of the house, takes you out to the garage, and then also you have the maid's quarters with CR in the back. So let's go ahead and take a look upstairs. This house is a great deal. Check out the description for price, lot size, and also floor area. So let's go ahead and go upstairs. Oh, and there's a nice fixture above the entry. So let's go up the stairs here and check it out. There's a little balcony right here, the sliding glass door. So immediately to our left we have the CR with shower directly in the end of the hallway, and then to the left is a bedroom, and it has built-in closet. And then when we come into its own CR with shower. And all the furniture you see here is included as a bonus. Then right across from this room is another room, kids room with built-in closet. And you have high ceilings in all the rooms with light fixtures. Let's go over here. Another bedroom to the left here. As you can see, built-in closet. It has its own bathroom and shower, as you can see. And let's go over to the master bedroom. This bed's included and all the furniture here. Very nice. Facing the front of the house. High vaulted ceiling. Let's go in down here and you can see that it has built-in closets. And then the master CR with granite countertop and a shower area with tub. So let's proceed to the bonus section of this house. We go up another flight of stairs here. You can see down to into the lower area. Let's go up here. And interesting about this section is it's a lounge area or game room or TV room. But some people, where this window is located, they make a door here and create a balcony out this door. Some models have been modified like that. It's an easy modification. You can see the beautiful ceiling in here. So this is the bonus area. Let's go back down. Give you a little tour of the outside of the property and take a look at the garage. I'll access to show you the side of the property from the dining room. You see you have a patio here, area for tables and such. And then there's a gate on the end of the property here for another access, which is all tiled here. And it goes around here, and they built a little wall garden here, so you have all this space in the back. You can add on to the house, do other things, expand rooms if you like. Another little wash area back here, probably for the driver. And here's that door I showed you before with the access to the dirty kitchen. And then they have an iron gate here which you can pass into the garage. And over here is a driver's room. And they have a rolling garage door, automatic garage door opener. So let's go down out here. You can see they built some nice bamboo tree things here. Lots of landscape. And if you look in the distance, I'll try to walk over there a little bit. But if you look in the distance here, right about here, there's a park. So you're very close to a park, which is an added benefit. So I hope you enjoyed this tour. Look at the descriptions below for the size and the lot size and everything. And then if you want more information, you can contact us either at philhome.com or you can contact us at PhilHome Facebook page. And if you want to see this house, then just contact us and we'll send you a broker and they'll take you on a tripping. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching PhilHome.com.